You got the Pumpkin King Indiana. I thought I'd just do a quick video of my cousin's farm. I'm over here right now. I'd borrow a backhoe, but so he's got his planter in the shop. It's the 24-0 International. I don't know what year it is or much about it. This stuff's all too new to me, but let's do a quick walk around it. Looks like it's a 1255 AFS. Pretty nice machine. Like I say, I don't know nothing about them. Ones I ran were all finger pickup units. I ran 24-0 Kinsey. He used to have one of them, and a 12-0 before that. So looks like he's got liquid on there. I'm not sure which tractor. We'll go out here in the machinery shed, but it's a nice little thing there. Pretty cool. So, yeah, we'll roll out here in the machinery shed and see what we got. Well, before we go, there's one of these elevators. This was the original one. I'm thinking this was built back in the 70s. Can't remember if his dad built it or him and his dad. He'd have been young, so. 2 grain dryers, 2 batches. We're out here in the machinery shed. I think the planter, well, we'll look at the combines first. He's got a 8250 and a 8230. Big self-propelled sprayer, 3340. That's a nice one. I think this is the tractor he plants with. I don't know. It's got 2, I believe. MX 285. God. And I believe that's a 10. 86. We'll see what it says on the other side here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a 10. When I used to work for him, I planted with a 1586. Just looking at them things make me cringe. Some people love them, but I'm not one of them. Then an MX 285. Bush hog batwing 20-footer. It's a big fucking mower right there, boys. I know they probably make them bigger, but for around here, our ditches and stuff, that's pretty good size. I'm used to a 15-footer. That's what we ran. 580 Super M. Go out and look at these other tractors. Little Case IH, looks like he's getting some seed in. I think he's got 2 other, I think it's 2 other machinery shed sites. There's the old grain elevator still used. Not sure how much storage is here. I don't remember. At one time I knew, but now I don't. Used to climb to the top of the leg there. We put bearings in it one time. I worked for him. Oh, shoot. Wish you had the old 1206 ain't here. It's at the other place. But we'll go run around the lot here. Look at the other 2 tractors sitting outside, a couple other pieces of equipment. Alrighty, we're back. There's one of these semis. There's another look at the elevator. Really liked it. It's a good job as a teenager coming over here and helping him out. Of course, shoot, yeah. Say cousin is like third or fourth. I think third. There's another 4-wheel drive. It's a, what the hell is that? 350 Case IH for the turbo till. And there's a quad track 420 with great big ass ammonia bar. I'm assuming it's 24-row because he's got 24-row planner and he strip tills. So I guess you could say it's a strip till bar. Pretty sure. I haven't kept up on this new shit at all. There's the stuff I'm used to, like that chisel plow. Where the hell is it? Right there is a Glencoe. I think it's a 12 or 13. I used to pull it with an 825 Versatile. So, a couple of older stuff. There's a, I believe that was a Noble cultivator, 12-row. I used to pull it. That's the stuff I used when I worked for him. Not this stuff. I know everything progresses. Nice stuff, but there's the tile trencher. Spent a lot of hours on that, but yeah. That's about all he's got sitting out right now. I know he's got more shit, but I'm not sure where it's all at. Anyways, let's all do a quick equipment tour video. Like I said, none of it's mine, but it's my cousin's, but he's good enough to let me come over and borrow a piece of equipment here and there and whatnot. So anyways, that's about all I got for today. Luckily the weather's starting to break here in Indiana, and hopefully I can start making some decent videos, so see what happens. Pumpkin King Indiana is out.